I will start to ask you first that your role as a chief. What does it entail to be as your role of a chief data scientist at Reliance Jio?
Yes.
Uh,
So yeah, I think so. What I do three kinds of roles. So one is I try to build what I call the AI India stack. So the speech and the computer vision and the language understanding and the knowledge graph. So these four things are very critical in any intelligent system. If you look at our own intelligent system, right, we understand language, we understand speech, we can speak, we have an ability to store knowledge, and we have an ability to do reasoning on it, right? So these are the four fundamental pillars that every domain needs. And the only thing is now we have done this very well in English and Chinese and other languages. We need to start doing it in the Indian context. So that is one area. What is, how do we build these capabilities in the Indian context? So speech and NLP in the Indian languages is a very burning problem, and I'll tell you some more stories about it in a minute. That today, let's say, in this world of what do you call it, lockdown, uh, people want to learn, right, through online
right.
videos. But a lot of our videos that are created by N. Patel and other such videos that are created by great teachers in India are only in English. How will I now take it to all the other people? If we had the ability to translate real time or semi real time these videos, or audio in English to text in English to text in the 8 languages or 10 languages to back to English, and then do a simultaneous overlay on top, that would make such a beautiful impact on the non-English speaking community of India, and they can also learn, right? So because of these lack of technologies like speech and vision and language in Indian languages, we are not able to do it. And these kind of problems really bug me, that why are we not able to do this, right? So one is that role, which is how do you build these kind of AI stack. Second is, what does AI for India mean? Not from a technology point of view, but from solutions point of view. AI is like any other tool, right? Like you have a car, you have a razor, you have a mixie. AI is just another tool, but a mixie alone is not going to cook your food. You have to have all of the ingredients together. Same thing if I want to transform the healthcare system of the country, or the agriculture system of the country, or education system. These are the big burning problems that we are trying to address. And what is the solution thinking on it, right? How do we think about sensor layer, data layer, and then analysis layer, and then products and services and communication layer with the and the human interface, right, with the farmers and all of that. So, or the patients in all tier cities. So I think the whole stack, this is like an AI stack that we need to think about for every domain. So that is the other part we are building, which is how do we think about AI stack for agriculture, healthcare, and all. Some of the pieces are common, some are different. And then the third area is AI for Reliance. So Reliance is a very large conglomerate of 5 different businesses, right? So we
Right.
have all the way from hydrocarbons to telecom to retail to payments to media. So we are like a
Right.
combination of a Shell and an Amazon and a Netflix and a whatever, right? And now we need to think about what are the AI problems that are across these businesses, and how can we improve our products and services for our customers using AI in all these businesses. So that's our third chapter.
Right. Great. No, that's very exciting to understand and very important to understand that we just believe that English is what internet is. Right. I think
Yeah.
when we come to internet, it's about English. But today we have some great startups who are doing vernacular-based news,
Yes.
which have got the attention of even the investors because they believe that it will add a lot of value.